With many microservices that have interdependencies, it's challenging to do integration and end-to-end testing before merging code. Unit tests managed by single teams won't find integration problems with other services, so if we rely too much on unit tests, we end up merging code that won't actually work in our staging environment. A great deal of testing happens only after one or more branches are merged. Not only is this a slow way to get feedback, if a single branch breaks one service, it's likely that other services won't work as expected, giving false negatives on tests, and rendering the testing environment unstable for everyone. What we really need is a tool to let us run tests on a shared cluster as soon as a pull request is raised. We also need our tests to not impact what others are doing with the shared cluster. That's where Signadot comes in. Signadot is a Kubernetes native testing platform for microservices. It allows developers to run manual and automated tests for every pull request. Signadot consists of two key components: a test execution platform called continuous testing that allows tests to run within Kubernetes pods. Signadot supports running automated tests in any test framework, ranging from UI frameworks such as Selenium, Playwright, etc., API testing frameworks like Postman or REST Assured, and tests written in any general programming language. Running tests co-located with the services being tested makes the system more secure with no need to expose services externally, and the tests can run faster as they can be run in parallel and allowing for a more centralized management of various test types. The second component is sandboxes that enable shadow deployments of services in Kubernetes and the ability to selectively route requests to them. Sandboxes enable testing under test versions of services in isolation without impacting others that share the test environment. Sandboxing enables previews for every pull request. Previews can be shared with product managers, QA, and user experience teams for early feedback. Sandboxes can be used together with continuous testing to run any automated tests for every pull request. So how does Signadot fix the problems that we went over in the beginning? First of all, testing and debugging are faster. By testing the scope of a pull request, it's easy to know where to look, and the test execution platform makes it easy to run your tests in your preferred framework. Some users have reported a 10x improvement in the speed of their testing cycle. By not having to duplicate development environments, you'll save significantly on the infrastructure costs for your development team. Finally, by using a high-accuracy shared cluster, with every other service available for you as normal, you'll be able to do much more reliable testing and prevent more bugs from reaching production. Thank you for taking the time to check out Signadot. If you like what you see, join our Slack or contact us for a demo.